Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. Imagine this, it's a sunny Saturday morning and instead of sweating over a noisy lawnmower, you're kicking back with a cold drink watching your grass get perfectly trimmed all by itself. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, today I'm diving into the Sunseeker V3 wireless robot lawnmower and let me tell you, this little guy might just make that dream your reality. If you're tired of manual mowing and ready to level up your yard game, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll see why this is a game changer. And hey, if you grab it through the link in the description, you support the channel at no extra cost to you. Let's jump in. First off, let's break down what makes the Sunseeker V3 so special. This isn't your average robot mower, it's wireless and smart from the ground up. No messy perimeter wires to bury or fuss with. You just drop it in your yard, use the app on your phone, and set up zones with a simple click. It covers up to half an acre, which is plenty for most suburban lawns, and it handles slopes up to 35% without breaking a sweat. The battery lasts about 2 hours per charge, and it automatically docks itself to recharge, then picks right back up where it left off. No more babysitting. Now the cutting action. It has a sharp, efficient blade that mulches grass as it goes, so you get that fine, even cut every time, adjustable from 1.5 to 3 inches high. And the navigation, top notch. It uses RTK GPS and vision tech to map your yard precisely, avoiding obstacles like flower beds, toys, or even your dog's favorite spot. Multi-zone management means you can tell it to mow the front yard one day and the back the next, all from your couch. Safety is huge too. It has lift sensors to stop instantly if picked up, collision detection to dodge Fido or the kids, and even a PIN code lock in the app to keep it secure. Oh, and it's whisper quiet at just 58 decibels, so it won't wake the neighbors. Setup is a breeze. Download the app, scan the QR code on the mower, and within 10 minutes, you're mapping your yard. It learns as it goes, getting smarter with each run. Rain? No problem. It heads back to the dock automatically. And for maintenance, the blade swaps out easily every couple of months, and the whole thing is weatherproof for all seasons. All right, let's talk pros and cons, because no product is perfect, and I want you to know exactly what you're getting. On the pro side, the wire-free design is a massive win. Installation took me under 30 minutes, and it just works without the headaches of traditional setups. The app is super intuitive. I love scheduling mows around my work hours, and the multi-zone feature keeps my uneven yard looking sharp without over-trimming spots. Battery life holds up great for my quarter-acre lot. It finishes in one go most days. It's eco-friendly too, no gas or cords, and that quiet operation means I can mow at night if I forget. Customers rave about the even cut and how it handles wet grass without clumping. Overall, it's reliable and cuts my mowing time to zero. Now, the cons. It's not the cheapest up front. You're looking at around $600, which might sting if you're on a tight budget. For really huge yards over half an acre, you might need a bigger model. The app occasionally glitches on older phones, needing a restart, and in super thick or overgrown grass, it might need a manual trim first to get going smoothly. Also, while it's great on slopes, extreme hills over 35% could challenge it. A few users mentioned the docking station placement can be picky if your yard has lots of trees blocking signals, but that's rare. So, with all that in mind, do I recommend the Sunseeker V3? Absolutely, yes, especially if you have a medium-sized yard, hate manual labor, and want tech that feels futuristic but simple. The pros like easy setup and hands-free mowing far outweigh the cons for busy folks like us. It's a solid investment that pays off in time and sanity. If that sounds like you, click the link in the description right now to snag it on Amazon. It's the best way to get the current pricing and any deals. Before we wrap, if you're loving these honest reviews, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a gadget that makes life easier. And seriously, use that affiliate link below. It helps fuel more videos like this. Finally, a quick reminder, grab the Sunseeker V3 through the link below for the best pricing and our special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks for watching, guys. If this helped, give it a like, share with a friend who's still pushing a mower the old way, or subscribe for more. Catch you next time.